Android app. Sales Tracker.
Sales Tracker application manage daily activities and help in self-monitoring.
This is the enterprise sales app used by field executives. An enterprise login is required to use this app. It is all right to say that this application is a moving office of a field executive who works in a certain region or territory. Executive's job is a field job, hence many of the tasks are done from the field, like meeting to leads and channel partners.
App's location runtime permission. The location is captured in the Sales Tracker app for providing location-related services. The location runtime permission is below. This app collects location data to enable attendance, task location, and travel location even when the app is closed or not in use.
Check in the app. Executive has to log into the application every day using her credentials. Mark attendance of a day and capture work start location. The first activity of an executive on any day is to mark the attendance after the first login of the day. To mark attendance, an executive has to click on the button Mark Attendance then given on the dashboard. After the executive clicks on the button, the application will capture attendance time and working location. Executive can see the information message for successful attendance. Create and complete tasks. Next activity of an executive is to create tasks for the day. Sales Tracker app allows executives to create a task for themselves or their subordinates. While creating the task, executive can set the location where she has to meet their potential leads or partners. Task is created by filling in the task-related details such as task title, task type, timelines, priority of task, etc. Executive can assign the task to herself or select another team member to complete the task. A location can be added in the TAS. Executive can see the tasks in the dashboard under today's task section. On clicking the task card, the executive will get the information of the task along with the location. Executive can track the task by clicking on the Start button. Executive has to travel to the location where the field meeting is scheduled. App helps the executive to validate the field meeting location before starting the field meeting. Executive can add feedback on the task after the completion, so that the next field meeting can be planned. In a similar way, on the same route or area, executives can plan multiple field meetings for the day. Check out the app. When the day is over, the executive can check out the application. At the checkout, time and location is shown. This time and location is useful to executives to track their travel, field meetings, and work time. Using this app, executive can manage work-life balance.
The same information is useful to HR for paychecks, PMS calculations, and travel/fuel reimbursement. Executive or team members can effectively club many field meetings and manage time of a day. Future roadmap of the Sales Tracker. Superior route beforehand planning. Using Google Map.
This superior route beforehand planning will help executives to reach on time for meetings, which strengthens the relationship of the client with the company. Travel history log. Travel history reports will be made available to manage reimbursement and future travels.